His device worked. Man had controlled electricity. The question now was how to distribute it. In the late 1880s, this issue was at the root of one of the most notorious debates in the history of science. There were two possible methods of distribution. One was direct current, or DC, which means the electrons only move in one direction from the source of power to their destination. The second was alternating current, or AC, in which the power moves backward and forward, sometimes using a revolving magnet. The defenders of the competing methods were two former colleagues, Thomas Edison for DC and Nikola Tesla for AC.
Edison engaged in something that we now call the current wars, this great battle between AC from Tesla and DC from Edison. DC is actually fairly dangerous. One of the greatest storms in American history happened in 1888, which really shut down the eastern seaboard for over a week. And many people were killed because Edison's early DC power lines were falling on them as a result of the snowstorm. And yet Edison waged a campaign to convince everybody that AC, not DC, was dangerous. And the way he did this was by electrocuting animals in public. He started with stray cats and dogs, moved on to horses and cattle, and ended up in 1903 executing an elephant called Topsy from Coney Island in front of 1,500 people using AC. He also took a movie of it, which he shared around America. The elephant is standing there, obviously with no idea what's about to happen to it. Clouds billow up around its feet and it drops down dead. Electricity kills you in a couple of ways probably at the same time, but you have a high voltage current pass through your body. It will stop your heart, it will interfere with your brain function, it will arrest your breathing, it will cause you tremendous pain, put you into shock. Not a pleasant way to die. You can't see it, you can't smell it, you can't touch it, but it's part of the very fabric of the universe, and if you get on the wrong side of it, it will kill you.
Electricity is such an essential part of our lives that it is nearly impossible to consider life without it.